What is meant by believe in the last day? Let's understand 6 items on this issue. The belief in the last day means to believe that Allah has ordained a fixed term for everything and a term for this world also. Allah will assure that raise the dead from their graves and will account for everyone their deeds of this world. Every life, human, jinn, animals, angels, etc., has to taste the death. Allah says in the Quran, "Kullu nafsun za'iqatul maut." Every life has to taste the death. On the doomsday, everything will be destroyed. On the day of resurrection, reward and punishment will be assigned. Finally, every human being and every jinn will be justly rewarded or justly punished in the hereafter. Thank you.